Hey everybody, welcome to Woo Benchmark. In this video, we're going to talk about the benchmark email and WooCommerce integration and how to connect your benchmark email account with the WooCommerce integration. So let's go ahead and we're going to jump into a WordPress site. Once you've already installed WooCommerce and you've installed the benchmark email plugin, you're going to find under the Advanced tab under WooCommerce a new little link called Benchmark Email. In this link, you're going to see that you'll have some additional settings for the app, but one of the most important things that it's going to ask for is your API key. So right here, we're going to go ahead and publish the API key provided in the benchmark email account. In order to do that, you'll go ahead and log into your benchmark email account. You'll click on the right-hand corner on your name, and you'll go over to integrations. From integrations, you'll see on the left-hand side, API key, and right here, you're going to want to copy this code that we see. And you'll go right back into your WooCommerce store. You'll paste that code in and simply save the changes. Once your WooCommerce store is connected, you'll automatically see these two lists get created: WooCommerce customers and WooCommerce abandoned cart list. These are two separate lists in which anybody that goes to your store and becomes a new customer, they purchase something, they'll automatically be added to the WooCommerce customers list. Those that attempted to purchase something but abandoned the process will be added to the abandoned cart list. So pretty much the contacts that are added to the abandoned cart is defined by WooCommerce when WooCommerce decides that it is an abandoned cart. Each one of these lists you'll see here, here are some tests that we did. The information that's going to get pushed through for a contact that purchases is going to look like 3. You'll see down below under extra 3 will be the product, the quantity that they bought the product in, and the price, and it will allow you to store up to 3 other products. The total order value will be shown down below. So somebody orders, let's say 5 items, the first 3 will show up here, and the total amount of all 5 items will show under extra 6. For the abandoned cart list, it will show you the products that the user bought. As you see here, they attempted to buy 2 products, totaling about $60. So in the abandoned cart list, just like the customer list, it will show you the products, the quantity, and the price of the 3 first items that they tried to purchase, and will give you the total amount of the order down below. Once you have this information, you can go ahead and create segments on it. So pretty much you can focus on the fields extra 3, extra 4, and extra 5. And let's say that you sell hoodies, beanies, and sweatshirts. You may say, does extra 3 contain hoodie, beanie, or sweatshirt, or extra 5 or extra 4? And based on that, you can create different lists. You can also create different segments based on how much money one of your subscribers has spent. So what you see here is pretty much the total value of the order. Okay. So you can see how you can easily create as well automations. Because subscribers are being added to a new list, this is exactly how an automation starts. So what we're seeing here is a simple welcome automation. Any new customer that gets added to the new WooCommerce list, you can go ahead and select pretty much that list here, hit save, and anybody that's added to this list, you can send them a thank you email and then maybe move it over to a different list. Instead of it having them all in the WooCommerce list, you may want to have it under now an existing customers list, or do whatever you want to end the automation. And then last but not least, for the abandoned cart, you can do the same thing. Since the abandoned cart process happens on the WooCommerce side of things, meaning WooCommerce decides when a subscriber abandons cart, all you have to do is once they get added to the abandoned cart list, you can set maybe a delay of maybe like an hour or 2 and send the email right away, simply inviting them back to your store and saying, hey, you may have left something in your cart, check it out, here's a 10% off. You can maybe provide a coupon in the email, whatever you think is best to get your subscriber back. You can wait another delay and then check and see if the subscriber reached the purchase, the thank you page or not, and then follow your automation from there. And pretty much in a nutshell, that's it. This is the basics of WooCommerce integration, how to set it up with your benchmark email account, and how to do the 2 most important things once you set it up a welcome campaign, and an abandoned cart automation. Thank you very much. Until next time.